Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine and happy at home, no? Doing your work, whatever Miss is giving of each and every subject. Yes, so today our subject is grammar. We are doing grammar, no? In the last lecture we did lesson 12, we did exercise 1. Okay, so in this lecture we will do exercise number 2. It is happening now. See, it is happening now. Okay, children? Yes. So you all know, you are ready to do? See now, what we have learned? Add ing to doing words and complete the sentences. We have done this. Add ing to doing words and complete the sentence. Today we will do this. Okay. So first we will see, this I explained you in the last lecture. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am or is with the ing doing words. This is just for your, yes, revision. I had explained you in detail in the last lecture. For example, I am, he is, it is. When we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. For example, they are, we are, you are. Okay, children? Yes. So remember this. When we talk about one person or thing, we use am, is with ing form of doing words. For example, I am, he is, it is. When we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. For example, they are, we are, you are. Okay, children? So now we will study this. One person, many person. Many person is more than one person. I am playing. See, if one person is there, I am playing. She is playing. He is playing. It is playing. The boy is playing. You are playing. Okay? We have done this. Now see, we are playing. If more person are there, many people are there, what we have to use? We are playing. They are playing. The girls are playing. You are playing. See, we have done this. For your revision, I do it again. Okay? Now see what we have to do. This is your exercise number 2. Exercise 2. In this lecture we will learn exercise number 2. Okay, children? So are you ready? See now. What we have to do in this exercise? Complete the sentences with doing words after adding ing. What you have to do? Complete the sentences. We have to complete. The sentences are given. We have to complete that after adding ing. We have to use the doing words and then we have to add ing to that form. Okay. Number A. She is. Here this boy. What this girl is doing? She is the tree. She is climbing. So what we have to write? Climbing. She is climbing the tree. She is climbing the tree. Okay, children? Now see. Here there is bone. Dog is chewing. It is in the mouth, no? So it is chewing. 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 Chew. ing. We have added ing. It is chewing a bone. Okay? It is chewing a bone. Understood? C-H-E-W. Chew. Then we have to add ing. I-N-G. Okay? It is chewing a bone. Have you all understood this? Yes? Very good. So, number B. See number B. It is chewing. See, chew is a doing word. But we are adding ing. It is chewing a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. The dog is chewing. Okay, children? So, what will be the year? What we had done? Yes, it is. We learned this, no? It is. Yes, we add ing form of doing words. Okay? So, it is chewing a bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. The dog. When we use it, we have learned for animals, birds, things, places. We use it, no? So here it is used for the dog. So it is chewing a bone. For the word chew, we have added ing. Understood, children? Which word we added? Ing to the word chew. C-H-E-W. It is chewing a bone. Can you see in the picture? Dog is chewing the bone. Very good. Yes, now I hope you all are understanding. You all have done this, no? See now number this. The girl is dancing, no? Yes, dance. She is dance. So number C. Mita is, the word is dance, on stage. So we have to use ing, no? We have done first. So what we will use? What will be the spelling? Can you tell me? Very good. Mita is a girl. This girl's name is Mita. Mita is, what we have to use? Dancing. See, we are adding ing. D-A-N-C-E is there, but we will use ing instead of e. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing on stage. Okay, she is dancing. The action is going on. It is happening now. The dance is not over. Okay, it is happening now. She is dancing. Mita is dancing on stage. It is happening now. It has not happened before, but it is happening now. She is dancing. We are seeing that she is dancing. So, okay, we use ing form of verb to show that the action is happening now. Understood, children? Yes. Now see. Again we will read this to understand. Mita is dancing on stage. On stage. Mita is dancing on stage. Yes, dance is not over. It is still going on. Means the action is happening now. Okay, it is not over. Dancing is not over. So what form we will use? Ing form of doing words. Understood, children? So, Mita is dancing on stage. See the spelling? This spelling you have to keep in mind that whatever the word given, you have to add ing. See here, the word is dance. We know that she is dancing on stage. So we can write, we can add ing. Mita is dancing, dancing, dancing on stage, stage, stage. Understood, children? What Mita is doing just now? If we ask, no? So we get the answer that Mita is dancing on stage. It is happening now. The action is not over. The Mita is still dancing and we are saying. Okay, children? Now see number D. Grandparents are. See here in the picture, grandparents. What they are doing in the park? Can you guess? Yes, they are walking. Grandparents are. What will come? Walk. So we have to add ing. You all know that we have to add ing. So grandparents are. We have done, no? Grandparents mean many people, more than one people. So two peoples are there. We are using are. Grandparents are. Then there is word walk. So what we have to add to walk? Very good. We have to add ing form. So walking. Which word it will become? Walking. See, first we will read the line, sentence. Grandparents are walking in the park. Grandparents are walking in the park. See, they are walking. Their walking is not over. Okay? It is happening now. It is happening now. Understood, children? So, grandparents are walking in the park. They are still walking. The action is going on. It is happening now. Grandparents, grandfather and grandmother are called grandparents. Grandparents are walking in the park. See, it is happening now. Action is happening now. Okay, doing word is walk. So you all know that we are adding ing to the doing words to show that it is happening now. Okay, children? So see number D. Grandparents are walking in the park. Can you see they are walking? Very good. All you are knowing, no? Yes. So now see next picture. Number E. Ant. E. See here the ant. There are many money. So the word is count. Which word is this? Count. Counting money, no? She is count. So ant is count. C-O-U-N-T. So now you all know what we have to do, what we have to add if the action is happening now. Can you answer me? Yes, we have to add ing to that word. Okay, children? So see now, aunt is, then there is a blank given, the money. See, there are money and the word is count. So you have to write ing. Add ing to count. So what word it will become? Counting. And is counting the money. Understood, children? And It is she. So we have learned that she is. Okay. So ant is. Okay. Ant is counting. We are using ing word form of doing words. So counting the money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. See, is there. Can you see in the picture? She is having money on the table. She is having in her hand also some money. And there in the, yes, in this bag also there are money. Okay, children? So number E, what will be the spelling? See. Aunt is counting the money. Aunt is counting the money. See. C-O-U-N-T. Count. The doing word is count. We have added ing. So the word becomes counting. Okay. So the word, the action is happening now. Counting is happening now. She had not counted. She is counting now. Okay. So the action is happening now. So we have to add ing to the doing words. Okay, children? I hope now you all are understanding. Okay, children? Aunt is counting the money. Counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. We are adding ing to count. I hope you all are understanding it. Now see. See this boy. She is doing karate, no? The word is learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. So now I will only speak the word. Okay, L-E-A-R-N, learn. So Sandy is, what will come here? Very good. We are adding ing to show that the action is happening now. Sandy is, very good, learning karate. See the spelling? L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Learn is doing word. We are adding ing. Okay? Sandy is learning karate. Sandy is learning karate. So the action is happening now. He is learning. Okay? The action is not finished yet. The action is happening now. So we are adding ing to the doing words. And what is the doing word? Very good. Doing word is L-E-A-R-N. Learn. The learn is doing word. Okay? Sandy is learning karate. I hope you all are understanding it. Okay, children? Very good. So you all are writing, no? You are doing your work at home, no? Yes, do your homework properly to understand this very well. Okay, children? Yes. So now see, Sandy is learning karate. You are also learning at home. Okay? Very good. Now see, number G. Neha and her sister are, see they both are, the word is sing. Neha and her sister are, what will come? The word is sing. See, I am telling you the word sing. S-I-N-G, sing. So the word is singing. We are adding ing to sing to show the action that is happening now. Okay, children? Neha. See, this is Neha. Neha and her sister are singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Singing. Sing is the doing words, and we are adding ing to make that the action is happening now. Okay, they are singing now. See, Neha and her sister, there are more than one person, so there are two persons. So what we will use? Are. A-R-E, are. Are, then ing form of doing word, singing, to show that the action is happening now. Neha and her sister are singing. They are singing. Okay, children? You all are understanding, no? Yes. The action is going on. The action has not finished yet. They both are singing. We are using are and the ing form of doing words. You all know which is doing word? Doing word is sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Number H. It is, see the ball, cat, we are using for cat, we are using it. Then there is a ball of wool. It is, what is it doing? The word is play. So we are adding ing to the doing words to show the action is happening now. Okay? So it is, what we will come? Can you tell me? It is, the word is P-L-A-Y. It is, we have to add ing to the play. So what word will it come? Yes, with a ball of wool. It is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing with a ball of wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. It is the cat. We are using it for this cat. Is. We are using is. No, we have learned that he, she, it. We are using is. Then we are using ing form of doing words. So, it is playing with a ball of wool. It is playing with a ball of wool. The word is P-L-A-Y, play. We are adding ing to show that the action is happening now. Very good. Now I hope you all are understanding it. The action is happening now. It is not over. Cat is still playing with ball of wool. Okay? Yes. Very good. Those who are reading, learning will understand it properly. Okay, children? So now see. See this girl, what she is doing? Can you see in the picture? There is an apple in her hand. There is a girl. Very good. See, it is half-eaten apple. So she, S-H-E, she is, E-A-T, eat, I told you, eat. So what form of word it will come? She is, very good, eating an apple. She is, eat. ING we are using. We are adding ING to form of the doing words. ING form of doing words. Okay? We have learned now that she is, he is, it is. So here also is there. And we are using ING form of doing word. So the sentence will become, she is eating an apple. See, the action is going on. The action is happening now. She is eating. Okay. She is eating. The action is happening now. Okay, children? She is eating an apple. She has not eaten. She is eating. So we are adding ING to the doing word. And here the doing word is eat. E-A-T. Eat. You are also eating, no? Your breakfast. When you are eating, no, we can tell that you are eating. Okay, children, when you are playing, I can tell you that you are playing. So when the action is happening, at that time, ING form of doing word is used. Okay? You all are understanding, no? Yes. She is eating an apple. Okay, the action is happening now. Okay? Now see next sentence. Number J. Bees. See the picture. There is a beehive. And see there are bees 1, 2, 3, 4 and there are many inside. This is a beehive. Okay. So bees are, the word is buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. So what will be the answer? You have to add ING to the word. Bees are, A-R-E-R, bees are buzzing, B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing around their hive. Bees are buzzing around their hive. See, around means all over, around this hive. Okay? They are buzzing. They are making noise. Okay? Bees are. There are many bees. So we are using are. And what is action word? Can you tell me? Very good. Buzz is an action word. We are using buzzing. So for that we are adding ING to the doing word. Okay, children? B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, buzzing. Bees are buzzing around their hive. You know this hive? Bees live in hive, no? Yes. So the word is buzz. B-U-Z-Z. We are adding ING to show that the action is happening now. It is not over. Bees are still buzzing. They are buzzing. Where they are buzzing? Around their hive. Bees are buzzing around their hive. Okay, see again I will read the sentence. Bees are buzzing around their hive. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have learned this exercise too. We have done this exercise too. Do it revision at your home. I will send you PDF. From that PDF of textbook, you can revise it well. Okay, children? Thank you and do your homework very well. Be happy and safe at home.